Tired of adhesive failures ruining your projects? What if these setbacks were actually opportunities? Welcome to Hot Melt, PSA and Reactive Adhesive Failures Advanced Formulation Analysis and Troubleshooting. This training dives deep into the science behind adhesive performance and failure. Hot melts degrade not just from heat, but through oxidative chain scission and additive depletion. Reactive systems struggle with pure kinetics and humidity. PSA tapes? They fail when their viscoelastic properties can't handle stress profiles. But here's the twist. These failures are valuable diagnostics. Cohesive fractures? They reveal polymer weaknesses. Adhesive failures? Surface energy mismatches. Thermal breakdowns? Antioxidant deficiencies? We see these not as problems but as opportunities for innovation. Learn how cross-disciplinary insights like automotive bonding techniques adapted for medical adhesives can transform your approach. Why should you not miss this training? Our methodologies have resolved 87% of recurring failures in beta tests and reduced problem-solving time by up to 60%. Participants see up to a 30% improvement in bond strength and durability. Plus, gain techniques for bonding next-gen substrates and meeting sustainability requirements. This training is perfect for R&D chemists, formulators, scientists, and new product developers. If you're in the adhesives or raw materials sector or an OEM and brand owner, this is for you. You'll cover everything from understanding hot melts, getting reactive cures right, to mastering PSA tapes and cross-platform problem solving. Ready to revolutionize your adhesive skills? Don't miss out. Enroll today and turn every failure into a performance breakthrough. Your shortcut to creating adhesives that stand out. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com. Also check out our newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy for thousands of on-demand online courses.